changing out purses today. I have been using this one, which is the small, I guess this would be 23 centimeters because it's only 9 inches long. This bag was very dirty and needed some help and went to leather surgeons, and they did a fabulous job. Let's see what I've been carrying. Car key. This is full of coins. Eyeglasses. And my wallet. And that is it. Very light bag, easy to carry. I only need these few items for the last 3 days. And on Sundays I do a bag switch out, so I thought I might as well film it today and show you what I'm switching into. So no longer into this one. Again, this was 23 centimeters. I'm going into a 35 centimeter huge bag. Hermes 35. Big difference. Look at the size difference. That's insane. Got this pillow from, oh my gosh, 5 years ago from AliExpress. It has a zipper so you can take out some of the cushions if it's too padded. This little small Chanel. Now this is a small, this is not the medium large. Medium large is up here. So this one's definitely small. Itty bitty. Just gets lost down inside this one. What's in the bottom of this? Oh, yes. I need to take that out too. There we go. So it's a big pit. I could put 2 of those and maybe even 1 going this way. Oh, excuse me. There is so much pollen in our air right now. It's making me cough. This is a reissue. It's a 227, so it's like a jumbo size. Gosh. Yeah. A 35 fits a ton. It's got 3 Chanel bags inside. Huge, huge bag. Uh-oh. Knocking things down. there. Let's leave this open for a minute. This is the new twillie that I just got and did a video on this. It was my very first purchase ever from the Hermes store. I was in Hawaii for a friend's wedding and went inside the Hermes store. Hermes. Been trying to learn how to say it properly. The E-R is like air, like the air you breathe. Hermes. I never took French in school, so I'm learning how to say that properly. But this is the twillie that I got. Love it. Love it. It's got little chain detail. Actually, that chain kind of reminds me now, looking at it, of the Chanel chain that has leather going through it. And one side's white, one side's brown. Has the name. Anyway, I love it. I got the brown because brown and navy blue, brown and blue jean, they correspond with each other. They look great. And I have another 35 that is, I don't know if you can see that. It's over here in the corner right there. I have a chocolate brown from 94. I made these cards and I set them in front of my bags now because I'm getting old and I keep forgetting the years of what my bags are. And after you have your bags for more than a year, you tend to forget what series they're from when they're Chanel and what year they're from over here for the Hermes. Okay, so I'm going to need a insert. And I have two inserts that are size 35. I'm going to use this very light one. I think this is 0.05 mil or 1 mil. And this brand, Smorga, has changed. That company changed its name. So let's put this in here. And the items I need to take. Here we go. As a matter of fact, this eye case for my eyeglasses has a metal band up here at the top, so you just squeeze it and it springs closed. Love these, love these, love these. Oh, I already have a pair of glasses. I want these. Anyway, I love this so much. I bought one of these. I think it was like $1.50. I loved it so much that I went and ordered a pack of 4. These work so well for a catch-all. And I got them in 4 colors. Well, now I got 2 pinks. But if you don't want to bring something that's big and bulky, These work great. You can put your ink pens down inside here, lipsticks, anything. So I never take a bottled water with me, so this loop that's up here is where I put my glasses. This is hard to do looking at the camera. So that always stands up right there. Yeah, this is going to be difficult. Okay, mini pochette. Got this from Fashion File, and it has dental floss, hair comb, a Band-Aid, aspirins, a holder for when I go anywhere and you want to put your bag on the table. I carry one with me in all my bags. And the last thing down at the bottom is a mirror and fingernail clippers. So this is just a catch-all. And actually everything that's in this could be shoved down inside one of these. So I'm going to put that flat down at the bottom, lay that down, lay that down. I need this card. I need both of these clays. They have different items inside of them. I'll use the side pockets for that. And put those up here in those pockets. I'm going to throw the coins just down at the bottom, my key down at the bottom, and my wallet. It's a pit. I'm telling you, this is going to hold a lot. So this is a blue jean. Let's do a quick review of this. Came with the lock and the key. The lock is down inside the zipper pocket that comes with the bag. This is in blue jean color, 35 centimeter, 4 feet on the bottom. I purchased this pre-loved from Fashion File. It's from 2003. What is the 2003? Is that G? I'd have to look again. Square G is a 2003. Actually, the blue jean has come back. So Hermes is using blue jean again for some of their bags. This is made from Clement's leather. So see how pebbled it is? It's bigger pebbled than, what's the other one that's got big pebbled? Togo, I believe, is the other one that has pretty large pebbles. Can you see that? See the grain? How big that is? And Claremont's is the heaviest leather. Now you can find all this information on the internet, so I'm not telling you anything that you don't already know probably about the leathers, but that looks fantastic. I love this. That twillie is amazing. Super cute. And since it's reversible, sometimes I have it on the white instead of the chocolate brown. So this will be my bag for this week. And I just carry it like this. And like this. This was my very first Hermes bag, pre-loved from Fashion File, and I've never been into a Hermes store until I went to this wedding and saw that there was a store in the Waikiki Beach area of Honolulu, and went in there and purchased this. So every Sunday I switch out my bags, but I only show videos on switching out my bags probably maybe one Sunday out of the month. So you're just not seeing the same thing every Sunday from me. But these bags always get used and switched out. And then I have non-brand name bags over in the corner, and I'll use those as well. So it just depends on what I'm doing this week. Where am I going? Staying in town? Is it traveling? That kind of thing. And I haven't used this one for a while, so this will be my bag for the week. My 35. So if you have any questions about purchasing through Fashion File or the price that I paid for this, ask me anything, I'll tell you. Hit that subscribe button. Wait, is it on your left? Is it on your right? I think it's down here. That'd be fantastic. Make a comment. Hit the like button if you like watching purse videos and what's inside of them. Hit the like button and hit a comment. Every little thing on small channels like what mine is, everything helps. So thank you. Bye.